just arrived at a abandoned creamery, well, ex-creamery, so it's where they used to milk cows and stuff. I just went in through the entrance and it looks like someone might be living here somewhere, like, I don't know if it's a squatter or something, but I really want to see, there's a particular part in here that I really want to check out and just take some photos. Yeah, hopefully I don't get caught. There's like a brand new Land Cruiser down there, so there's definitely somebody here. I just want to see this main bit, which I think I can go around the outside and try and find a way in that's less in the middle. It. It's I forgot what it's called, but it's like it rotates around, well, it did in the 1950s, and be able to milk the cows as they're eating and spinning around, and you load new cows in. By the time they're finished, they go around, you know what I mean? Like it's a rotation thing. It's revolutionary at the time. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take some cool stills while I'm here, and hopefully nobody notices me. I mean, it's New Year's Eve. Surely people have got better things to do than checking out abandoned buildings. This is a lot sketchier than I anticipated, just because it's so close and there's like washing on the line on this other place. I mean, the buildings are abandoned, but there's definitely people living in them, so I'm not sure what the deal is with that, whether it's the owners of the property or what, but it's got to be really quiet, and like every step you make here is like loud. So I think I might just check out the outskirts of the property, old barns and stuff, but this thing here, it's just way too close because the house is like just there. That's where the car is. Yeah, I don't want to really get like yelled at or worse from some person. Well, that's about it. This is one photo that I really wanted to get, but you gotta like climb through to get to it. That would have just made too much noise. Alright, maybe I'll try it again later, some other time. But I think I got a couple of cool shots anyway, so I think success. I took one last shot. Just because I couldn't help myself. Let's get out of here. Oh, so that was awesome. Not. I didn't realize that fence right there was an electric fence. And I was going over it. Groin first. Gave me a nice shock in the groin region. I don't know if that's supposed to be for humans or cattle. Anyway, I gave a nice big noise. Involuntary. Anyway, back to my car now. Safe and sound. See you next journey.